there are a few options to move forward that'll help you move forward confidently. So let's take a look at what that journey would look like. So for this next segment, I'm going to cover the options that you have beyond ChaRM, and the goal is to help you assess, what fits best for your organization's like transformation journey. So let's take a look at option number one. Option one is to move to Cloud ALM, SAP's strategic successor to Solution Manager. It's a good fit for cloud-first organizations or for those who are already on S/4HANA. SAP is continuing to invest heavily in its new features, especially around implementation and operations. Now, that said, it's important to consider the maturity of some modules and how Cloud ALM will handle complex landscapes or legacy integration use cases. It's evolving fast. However, not everything from ChaRM is fully replicated yet. Let's check out option number two. So option two is to continue with ChaRM until its planned retirement in 2027. This is a practical short-term path for customers who are still on ECC and not yet ready for Cloud ALM. There's minimal disruption since your existing workflows and processes, they remain intact. That said, delaying this unavoidable transition, it could introduce risk later, especially as SAP shifts its focus and innovation towards Cloud ALM. Next is option three. So option number three is to adopt a complementary solution like Active Control. This is well suited for customers in hybrid SAP environments or in the midst of a phased transition. It acts as a bridge between ChaRM and Cloud ALM, supporting both without requiring like a rip it off and replace it type of approach. It's especially useful in complex scenarios like dual maintenance, in complex landscapes, which I'll talk a bit more about like later. Active Control offers strong out-of-the-box automation. Like any other solution, upfront planning is key and necessary for its adoption and for long-term success. Now, every organization will have a slightly different path depending on where you are in your journey. The important thing is to not lose time waiting, whether you're exploring Cloud ALM, continuing with ChaRM, or looking at complementary solutions. There are like practical ways to bridge the gap.